If you are mad about driving, then you must subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. There you can get my updates and links are in description. So you can click below and follow me and be in touch with me. Yo yo! Now I started my journey towards Ukrul. Second day. Now I'm going for. Now I'm going to MG agencies because for getting signature from quarantine center in charge, because I got certificate but on that he did not signature. So now for getting that signature I'm going to MG agencies near Kangra gate. I don't know where it is, but Kangra have 2 gates. So while going to 2 gates I will search if I find okay, or else I will ask someone. Finally now I got signature from Chief Medical Officer, because when I came up from quarantine center I did not get signature on certificate that I don't have any corona and etc. So now finally I got this. So now I'm going to Ukrul. Finally, now I came out from Imphal traffic. Actually, when I visited Manipur, Imphal, lockdown was already started. So because of that reason, no one did not come outside. So I thought here traffic is less only. Here I don't know how it will be. And I wish should not get any problems with people, because here people are thinking I'm coming from other countries, so I may having coronavirus, so they are not allowing me to visit any place. So I like that it happened in locked up. So I wish in Ukrul it should not happen like that. I should see each and everything and I should come back very safely. Let's see what will happen. Did you see that hill? On that hill some houses are there. Those are looking so cute. From here still 45 kilometers. Maybe it will take 1.5 hours like this. So finally now I came to Ukrul, and now here 3 main tourist spots are there. In the 2 are already closed. One is park and one more is cave, but caves are at present it's closed now. So now I'm thinking to visit Ukrul mountain, something hill place. So now I'm thinking to climb that. Now time is 4 p.m. Now I will go to Shiro Valley. I'm in Shiro Hill. Let's see. In Ukrul I did not get any negativity from people. See this beauty. How beautiful this place is. Really, these people are so lucky to stay here. Beauty. Roll hell. Don't mind my nonsense. Sometimes I will behave like that only because I'm mad. That's why I become a Ravan. If I don't have mad, I will be a normal person. I don't take like this stupid thoughts. Now I reach to Shiri. I reached to Shiri village. From here, it's showing 4.1 kilometers from here. Right now I will reach to Shiri Hills. Later, I wish no one should be here. Then I can stay there while making a camp. Now let's go there. Finally, now I reach to Shiri Kashong Peak. I'm getting tension and scare also about people, because they will think
So now here what's going to happen means, actually if I used to stop outside for some time and later if I came here it used to be good, but here some villagers saw me and they informed for village head. So that member is saying I'm not allowed to visit this place. So I don't know what to do. I said about my problems etc. So he said he will come here and I should make him to accept just for tonight, and tomorrow morning I will check out from here. Not about the tourist side. Even if I want to return at this time means it will become so night and I should face lots of problem. Just for tonight I will request him and I wish he should accept me. I don't know now what should I do. Now I'm returning back to Imphal. I don't know how much time it will take. I came to explore this place, but because of this COVID-19, everyone are not allowed to visit any place. Now in Manipur, I did not explore any place. It's waste. Time is waste. It's my bad luck. We can't do anything. So now I don't want to waste my time anymore. Now tomorrow morning I will start my journey towards Nagaland. I don't know I can enter that place or not, because this state's having ILP. So because of this reason maybe they won't allow me. Let's see. I don't think anyone will have bad luck like me, but I have tons of bad luck. It's like my shadow. We can't do anything. It's my bad luck. Maybe in future whatever it happened here like that, it should not happen in other states. Somehow we can't do anything. So now we should leave this place. So maybe in future states like Bihar, Jharkhand or Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, minimum there I should get a chance to explore, or else we can't do anything. My English now, because now I'm totally emotional, so can't stay in this beautiful place. Okay, these all are the memories etc. Yes. If you see this is complete fog in May. I mean in summertime fog is there. Are so hard to digest, but in future I wish these things all become very best memories. I wish I should continue my journey from here to other states. I don't want to stuck at any place and I don't want to face any problem. I don't know how much time it will take. I should be strong actually. At this time every situation made me to think that going back to my home is better, every situation is making me like that, but still I should be strong. I don't know how much time it will take. I hope every situation should become normal. I wish I will have all your support for me. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know about my future. Thank you so much, sir. This is a goodness. Here, police member stops me when I'm coming from Ukhrul. So they inquired about me, from where I'm coming, what I'm doing, etc. So later they said travel with some proper documentation, then we won't stop you and we will appreciate you a lot. So now go to Imphal, get a hotel, and tomorrow contact someone to get a stay. Inspector OC, whoever is there, he is saying that even I have a desire to travel like you, but because of my work I can't. So after my retirement I will start my journey. I wish he should travel, and now I'm going to Imphal. I tasted many things. Finally now while crossing a hilly area, I came onto plain road. From here road will be plain till Imphal city. I'm so happy. Now I can drive peacefully. Finally now
I reached to Imphal city, and now I will go back to hotel where I am staying from past few days. I don't know tomorrow I will get any support from Manipur government or not, but tomorrow once again I will try, because Manipur government official said after coming outside from quarantine center you are to inform for them, but I did not inform. So tomorrow once I will inform. If I get any help it will be good, or else I can't do anything. Just I should face things, and I should find some way to stay in Manipur, or else I should continue my journey towards Nagaland.